はい。ああ、come on。
Cross him. Rip. That's it. Reset. Take it straight up, Peter. That's it. Go. Transition. Pick it up, Jonah. Let's go, Blake. Inside. Jeffrey. That's it, Blake.
Yes. Out.
One on the ball. Let's go with him. Let's go. Take him. Left side.
Easy. Nice.
That's it. Let's go. He's got 24. Chest. Three in the key. How long in the key? Travel. Go, Eden, go. Go, cut in. Help him out, Eden. Cut in. Hurry. Pick it up. Help him out, Eden. Who's got 24, Eden? Behind you. Eden, behind you. Who's got 12? Transition, Eden. Transition. Go.
Yeah. Easy basket. Nice.
And one. Full extension.
Nice.
That's it. Let's go. Nice and easy.
That's
Early rest.
number 1 and number 2, that thing.
Call for it. Rip. Wait and rip. Look up, Eden.
These two boys that thing.
Get in front of him, Run! Eden, through people, not around.
Too much. Let's go. Leave your head.
Middle.
Yeah.
Get open.
Out. Right, box out.
Grab that. Reset.
Nice.
Unlucky. Get back, Eddie. Get back. Body.
Oh.
Touch him, Brandon.
Oh.
Should be uneven, man. Get open, Eden. Get open.
Yes.
Back him up. Nice.
Alright, carry.
Get that. Faster transition. Body, Eden. Who's got 24? Body up, guys. Go, Eden. Go.
Ow.
Eden, body on your man. Who's got 12? Pick it up.
Ooh, yes.
Spider-Man hand. Move. Grab that. Outlet. Take it.
Good. That's up.
Get back, Eden. Get your man. Get your man, Eden. Draw the foul and keep him offline. Yeah? Rip.
Nice.
Hey, let's go. Pick him up, Eden. Body. Oh. It is too much gap, yeah? Body on D.
Yeah!
Baby! Pick it up, Jeffrey. Stay on him. Get back in it. Get back. 24.
Good, Jonas. Close to Jonas. Move fast. Line your feet now. Use your chest. Yes, Jonas. Good. Very good, Jonas.
Good. All the way, Blake. All the way.
Nice.
Rip it. Stronger hands, Eden. Boards. Rip it out. Travel. Double dribble.
Good, Jonas. Close the gap, Jonas. Close the gap, Jonas. All right, close the gap.
Close the gap. Grab that. Rip it up. Look up. Look up. Go in and faster. Go, look. Cross him.
Yeah.
Wow. Get back. Play the whistle. Aiden, play the whistle. All good. That's it, Blake. Hustle. Hand on him. Good defense, Blake. Good D. Travel. Let's go. Look up, Peter. Look up. And they cut in. Move forward for the ball. Pick it up. Reset.
Nice.
Pass.
Yes.
That's it. Easy. Stay with him.
Good, Jonas. Great job, Jonas. Mind your feet. Well done, Jonas. Great job, Jonas. Again, quick. Good. And again,
Quick outlet, Ari. Quick outlet.
Yeah.
Foul.
Wow, that's a foul.
That's it, Blake. Good rebound, Ari.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Good job, man. Hey!
Nice, Jonas. Up. Play inside your feet, Aiden. Good. Copy me.
Great defense, Blake.
Ha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight up, Blake.
Turbo. It's a turbo. Yeah.
44. Aiden, your number.
Hey, double dribble.
Aiden, get your number. Run. Transition, run. Pick it up. Ari, look up.
Yeah.
Shoot it. Go, Eden. Get it. Get him, Eden. Get him. Body.
Rebound and go. Can we get an outlet
Same team. Outlet.
Yeah. 2 points. Oh.
Come on. Find the board.
Watch Jeffrey, stay and go.
Oh.
Get back. Get back. Three, two, one. Stay with him, Eden. That's it. Run. Outlet, pick it up. Early outlet. All the way.
Good.
That's
Yeah.
it. Right. Who's got 24? Blake.
Hey, Blake. Behind you.
Grab it.
Hey, grab the ball.
Let's go.
Grab the ball.
Wow.
Hey.
Boards. Get back, who's got 24? Blake, get back, Blake. Pick it up, Eden. Rip it.
Play left side, look at Ian.
That's it, good play.
Yes,
Straight up, Blake,
there
straight
you
up.
go, Blake.
Back on D. Pick it up. Same team. Look for the outlet, Ari. Don't let him get it, Eden. One hand, close the gap.
Slide your feet, Blake. Slide your feet. Don't too much
Stay within a hand. Run. Outlet.
Yes, Blake. Very good, Blake.
Yeah, nice pass. Good job. Oh.
Come on, hit that. Get to 12. Who's got 12? Pick it up, Blake.
Good job, Blake. Good, double hands, Blake. Slide your feet. Hands.
Blake, rebound.
Move forward.
Go, Blake. No, not like that.
Reset. Take it out. Reset.
Get out.
Oh, nice pass.
One arm length, Taylor. One arm length. Who's got 30? Travel.
Now, push straight away. Go.
Move. Pick it up. Who's got 12? Pick him up.
Travel.
Two hands. Hand on your player, Eden. Always hand on your player.
Nice. Be available now, Jeffrey.
Straight up, Jonah.
Yeah, good job.
That's it. Good hustle.
Whoa.
Shot, Ari.
Yeah.
Aiden, one arm length. Stay on it. One on the ball. Move your feet. Good G. One arm.
Blake.
You take 3.
Defense, you're gonna guard number 3. Good.
Outlet.
Yeah,
Outlet.
nice pass. Yeah, good job. Yeah, yes.
Great. One arm length. He's got 12.
Good. Outlet.
Faster, Eden. Play your player. One arm length.
Yeah.
Find the board, Aiden. Keep going, you okay?
Oh.
Mike, you got three. Mike, you got three.
Give him wet, Zebra, give him wet.
Yeah.
Defense. Keep a hand on him, Eden. Move your feet. Move forward for him if you need to.
Yeah.
Oh, exchange. Hold on, hold on. Get your player. Every time it is, don't pull it out, just get it. One hand. He's got him. Whoa.
Yeah. All the way. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Get back on team.
Give him a block.
Forward, forward, forward. Forward. Run. Transition. Outlet.
Oh. Yeah.
There we go. Pick it up, boys. Pick it up. That's it, Ari. Good thing. Get back. Get back. Get back. Who's got 12? Body, body, body. Pick it up, guys. Run. Now run. Run, Eden.
Go, Blake. Go. All the way. Go. Ah.
Get back, Eden. Grab that, guy.
Yeah, out. Yeah.
Hey. One arm length, Eden. One arm length. One arm length. Move your feet.
Oh.
Come on, guys. Grab that. Grab that. Move. Move. Move.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, come on. Find the board. That's your man, Eden. Eden, that's your man. Grab that. Grab that. Run. Run.
Yeah. Yeah.
Move your feet, Eden. Oh.